like that?
What I love, aside from weather, is in golf. When I was putting the graphics together today, I got to draw a cold front in Texas.
What is
that? I know, they get very elusive in the summertime here, but there is a front up in North Texas. It's producing a little bit of rain. You can see it on the map here, and there are some cooler temperatures north of it. Look at the temperatures up in the Panhandle. 82 in Amarillo. That front, though, is not going to come down this far south with respect to relief in temperatures. It's just a teaser for us, but below 100 in DFW north of that front. And this front, again, is going to stall out in our vicinity tomorrow afternoon. That's what will translate to that little dotting of an isolated shower close to the frontal boundary. But the rain is not going to be plentiful here. It's going to be hard to come by. It's going to stay isolated, maybe another round of it on Wednesday, and then it's dry through the rest of the week and the weekend with high pressure staying close to us. It does back off to the north and west on Wednesday, and then it makes across Texas and the central part of the country, makes its way across over the weekend, and by Sunday time frame it'll be in the Midwest and it'll stay there heading into early next week. And this position gives us easterly flow off of the Gulf of Mexico, and where we're going to be watching here very closely is in the region of South Florida. There'll be a weak front there stalled out, and there are some signs that a little weak disturbance and or tropical moisture may be coming in toward Texas from that general area. So this is just the moisture. You'll see that moisture, really dark greens, showing up and moving into Texas come Tuesday and or Wednesday. To be determined on whether or not this will be a disturbance with respect to spin or organization. Right now, we're just starting with the moisture, and the Weather Service is also saying above average rainfall Sunday into early next week. So we're looking at Tuesday and Wednesday for that moisture to come in for us and into Texas. This is what we know right now. That'll be the timing, Tuesday, Wednesday. It may be that a little weak tropical disturbance comes of this. That's, it's not in the cards right now, but it's possible. And I also think beneficial rain will be possible for wherever that disturbance goes. So we've got a lot of moving parts here. The Hurricane Center is not flagging that area at this point, but we're going to be looking in here for that moisture and the little tropical wave. The two that they are marking have low chances for development, a lot of Saharan dust in the Atlantic. These are not of concern, and I wouldn't be surprised in the coming days if we see something in this region highlighted for possible development. We will see. There's nothing to be worried about right now, but we could have some rain on our hands into early next week. We'll keep you updated on that. 98 right now, 114 on the heat index, a southeast wind at 15 miles per hour. Tonight, 79. It'll be mainly clear out, pretty warm and humid. Tomorrow, near record warmth with the high of 100. Record for the date's 101. We'll get a heat index of 113 out of tomorrow's weather. On the waters, a little choppy out there, 2-foot waves at a 6-second period. Water temperatures are in the upper 80s. And aside from a little isolated shower chance Tuesday, Wednesday, it's going to be very hot and humid here through the weekend. And by Monday of next week, we will be watching the Gulf to see what is to come of that moisture, which I think at this point, that's all we should be expecting, is moisture to be coming our way. But if anything starts to look a little bit more, robust, I guess a good word, then we'll be all over it. But hopefully we just get some rain next week out of it.
That'd be all right.
We'll pay attention.
That'd
for sure.
be lovely.
Yeah.
Awesome. Alan, thank you. Still to come on